Hey guys, I'm Mike from Guildford Custom, based here at the world famous Guildford Harley-Davidson. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today we have this amazing 2019 Road King Special. I don't know where to start with this one. We literally threw the book at it. Customised from the front to the back, super subtle but no detail left unturned. Wheels, sticking with the original turbine wheels, repainted with a fantastic custom olive green pin, all finished in matte. Road King Special comes out with a blacked out front end anyway, but we added these fantastic edge cut beer cans and also headlight trim. You'll notice the headlight's a little bit different. We've gone for the Harley-Davidson Daymaker adaptive LED headlight in the front here. Absolutely superb, matched in with these fantastic smoked LED indicators up on the bars. And then of course these amazing edge cut Empire mirrors. Moving down to the gas tank, let's talk about this amazing custom paint scheme. Wanted to keep things subtle, yet incorporate a lot of the owner's personality into the bike. Naturally, we went to the masters of custom motorcycle paintwork, Image Design Custom. Thank you very much for this one, guys. Two-tone, two finish, charcoal, black, gloss, matte finish, olive pin, and this amazing sacred geometry pattern all blended in to make this a really striking paint scheme as soon as you get up close to the bike. Flush fit cap and gauge, naturally, and then we have this amazing Dakota Digital speedo and rev counter combo. We went to the absolute trimming gods at D-Class Automotive for this seat and backrest pad combo. Half leather Alcantara, and they CNC stitched the geometry pattern into the seat for us, and then added this fantastic olive gold stitching just to bring everything out. Amazing. Now this seat is originally a Harley-Davidson touring hammock seat that we completely stripped and recovered. Naturally, with the Road King Special you get these stretch bags and they've been painted in, really flows nicely. Wanted to keep the flow from the front and the back, so we've added the LED indicators with smoke lenses at the rear, and then this fantastic Custom Dynamics tail light built into the bottom of the fender. Round to the B side of the bike, you can see those Screamin Eagle HT leads. We also have a billet shift linkage and an Empire Collection horn cover, derby cover. There's so much detail in this motorcycle. One thing I forgot to talk about when we were up on the bars were these fantastic airflow heated grips. Pick the airflow grips, one, because they're heated, and two, you've got loads of rubber, really good grip on the bars. Heated grips, probably a must if you're touring in the UK. We've got a pretty hot motor in this bike. Well, we stuck with the standard brakes because, let's face it, Brembo ABS linked braking system by Harley-Davidson is absolutely superb. We have just blacked out the calipers. Bike sounds absolutely incredible. Let's fire it up for you. Moving down to the motor, this is not just any engine. This has an S&S 124 cubic inch conversion in it. It's pretty hot, running a true dual Vance and Hines exhaust headers and Vance and Hines mufflers, tuned with a Dyno Power Vision tuner. As you can see, this amazing Screamin Eagle heavy breather air filter. Empire billet footboards, brake pedal, shifters on the other side, and of course Empire rear pegs to match. There is so much that's gone into this fantastic bike that I've probably missed stuff. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a full list of accessories and all the work that's gone into the bike in the description below, so check it out. I've been really looking forward to taking this one for a ride. So let's go do that. Thanks very much for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more custom motorcycles like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you like the video you just watched, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get a notification every time we post a video. If you like a custom motorcycle of your own, or you're just looking for your next new or used Harley-Davidson, please contact Guildford Custom or the guys in the sales team at Guildford Harley-Davidson on 01483 207 222. Many thanks.